Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Jut Ainul Maria. This time I would like to present argumentative power created by Nur Najibah Sukmawati and Sukma Septiana Studian. When you need a defend your option on an issue, argumentative essay are one of the most popular types of essay you will write on. This time I take this article, Computer for Children Advantage or Drawback. The author in this text is provides equal and balanced argument on the whether using computer bring more advantage than drawback for children. Some mentioned in GDA were shown in the following studies. According Patient Rambe, the study related to extent of using CDA as a main tools of analysis. The difference is the aim to explore the impacts. Nova Anggit Priyamoko said, the findings shown that through the language usage can be shown the strength of power and the purpose of the speaker, which the power is strongly felt and the ideology is clearly seen as well as understandable, depend on the background of the speaker. And also Nasir H. Bukhari and Wang Xiongwang of Institute of Education Xiongwa Universitas Beijing, they said this study is related to the extent of CDA as a means of analysis, but only focus on exploring its potential to be used in educational research. Okay, this is a finding and discussion. The technique of analyzing the discourse is by Norman Fairlaux. It has the three sub-analyses: heading, description, interpretation, and explanation. Okay, let's see. Vocabulary used in the text can be used as a way of analyzing language structure shown as a follow. The first text has both positive and negative classification scheme. To be seen in detail, position of the negative value is different from that of positive value in the text. In contrast, the positive value of diction like great, independence, safety, and responsible are chosen to signify the position of supporting the issue to allow them to drive legally. The reason why this word appear more uh, frequently is because the author want to show that the major contention about the issue whether children should or not should have exposed on computer because they are mature or not and responsible or not and why they should or should not engage with it. Okay, the next slide is sorry. Okay, this one. From the perspective the relational aspect. Relational aspect refer to social relation between the readers and the author. Accordingly, the use of compound complex and compound complex form are used. Shown the number of type of sentence used in the text. It can be seen from the absence of the imperative word instead of instruction or comment, both pro and contra argument. Use modalities such as would. This modality choose is meant to suggest, to influence, but not to instruct. In synthetical level, majority of the sentence in the text is not simple sentence by type rather than in a form of complex sentence. Such sentences are typical of written text instead of a spoken text. It is found that all type of sentence are used in the text. They are for simple sentence as well as a compound sentence found in the text. The next is expressive value. The text use many expressive value to soften or sharpen the evaluation to children as the object of this text. Irresponsibility, less mature, lack of experience are language evidence to show and portray the attitude of children, the attitude of the children. The author used the word as a justifiable reason why should not allow children to play with the computer. On the other hand, would, will, and prove to prove signify that no pressure from the author to follow one of the two. Text structure beyond its structure. This this is about the maturity and responsibility in using computer. The text portray what is exactly happening in the daily life. Many children are allowed uh, to use computer. Many others are not. Whether or not they should be allowed, the author provides argument to why this less mature, not ready, and irresponsible in using computer type of person in the based on logic. Okay, the second subheading is a call interpretation. This mode is a way or medium of interaction which consists of planning, distance, and channel. The interaction in the text is previously planned to make the harmony of the text exist, so the reader can understand more easily. On the other hand, no feedback is given to the author directly because the author is not reachable by the readers. The last subheading is explanation. Above all this text is about technology and the children. The reason why the author prefer to support the use of a computer for children is because she or he has motive to support, or also probably because the author is just an open-minded, critical, scientist, and logic person. He or his decision comes from deepest thought without any intervention from others. The conclusion is the language used in this text is dominated by formal diction, complex sentences, verbal process, some repeated word, multi-perspective argument, evidence-based complex sentence, metaphorical technique, and overword diction. It's power to the reader to equal that the aura provide then rather than provoke. As I said on the beginning, when you need to defend your opinion on an issue, argumentative essay are one of the most popular types of essay you will write on. They combine persuasive argument with a fact based on research and when done well can be powerful tool for making someone agree with your point of view. If you are struggling to write an argumentative essay or just want to learn more about them, seeing example can be a big help. Okay, this is thank you from Cut Ainul Maria. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.